Hi everybody, Shannon here, Old Oaks Farm. Let's talk about my new flock of layers. I ordered 15 new layers, actually ordered 13 hens and 2 roosters in my new flock. I ordered from Murry McMurray Hatchery. Ordered a couple times from them now, and they've always sent me healthy, good chicks. So let's talk about what I've got. Get this a little closer. All together right now? Yeah, I'm gonna start working on the babies now. About half full. Hey guys, I may have an egg-bound chicken. I've never had an egg-bound chicken before, but from everything I'm reading, I know this girl is in some kind of distress. Things that I've read online, she's kind of showing some of the classic signs of being egg-bound. She's panting. It's a hot day, but you know, they're in the shade. She's in the shade and she's got plenty of water. She's her backside is kind of dirty looking, and her feathers are kind of ruffled. I let them out, and the rest of the chickens are all over the yard and taking dust baths, and she won't leave the coop area. She's just kind of distress sounds, and then just going to the nest and getting off the nest and on and off the nest for the last hour or so as I've been watching her. So I'm not sure. I'm going to do some more research and see what I can do for her. She's one of my favorite hens. She's very friendly. We call it a light Brahma. Very friendly, very pleasant natured hen, and so I hope I can do something for her. This girl here is a cream leg bar, and she's going to lay me some blue eggs. Now, I ordered 2 of these, and I had one chick die, and I think it was the other, my female cream leg bar. But I've still got one left, and the cream leg bars are they're kind of a rare breed in the United States, not a real popular breed. They've got a little crest on the back of their head, as you can see. Not a real big bird either, but pretty bird and relatively well-mannered. See, she's not freaking out or anything. She's a good little girl. So this is my cream leg bar. Easy, easy girl, easy girl, easy. Now this is an Andalusian, and they're a Spanish breed of chicken, and she will lay white eggs for me. And she's a blue variety, and as you can see, beautiful blue feathers there. Again, not a very big bird in the Mediterranean or continental class of chickens, but she's a blue Andalusian. Now this is a black Menorca, and I ordered 2 of these, and I've got high hopes for this breed, and I'm probably going to try a few more of these. The Menorca is again a Mediterranean breed, but they're the largest bird in the Mediterranean breed class, and they'll lay white eggs. And now they're going to look a little bit like my my black Australorps. One way that you can tell them apart, they're not quite as big as the Australorps, and they're also going to have, I don't know if you can tell right there, they'll have a white ears or a white earlobe, and so you'll be able to tell the white feathers there by the ear. And also they lay a white egg, and the Australorp lays a brown egg. So here's a black Menorca. Who else is next? How about you? Now this is a relatively new breed. It is a breed, it breeds true. It's called a whiting true green. And there was I guess a fella named Whiting who came up with two new breeds actually, a true blue and a true green, and she'll lay green eggs. That's why she's called a true green. They're lovely birds. Most of them are sort of a reddish color, but they can come in different colors. So this, I actually ordered 4 of these, so these girls will give me a lot of nice green eggs. So this is a whiting true green. Now this girl here is a Delaware, and Delaware is an American breed. It's in mid 20th century when it was first introduced, and she's a dual-purpose bird, our Delawares, and she'll lay a large brown egg. And Delawares were, before the industrial crosses, the Cornish crosses came out, Delawares were one of the birds that were used for meat birds in the United States through, I don't know, about the 50s or 60s or so. So I only ordered 1 of these, but I just wanted to try. I never had one. I wanted to see what they were like. Now this girl here is a Speckled Sussex, and this is an English breed, dual-purpose breed as well. They'll get pretty large and lay a brown egg. Beautiful speckled bird. This is a Lackenvelder, and I almost didn't catch. I've got 2 of these, and I almost didn't catch them. They're very flighty. But they're beautiful birds. As you can see, they've got the black heads and the white bodies. And when she's fully grown, she'll have a white, almost black head. Lackenvelders are not very popular in the United States, a European breed, but they'll lay white eggs. And I never had any before, but these are very flighty. Suspicious, not friendly birds, but beautiful birds all the same. All right, now this guy here, okay, this is a New Hampshire red rooster. I've been wanting a rooster to put with my, I call him my yard flock now. So this guy, he's going to be a good sized bird, and I've heard that the New Hampshires were a pretty gentle but large and protective breed of rooster, and that he had some good genetics. So I think he'll be a good addition to my older flock. They kind of need a rooster to watch out for. So you'll watch out for those girls, won't you? And he's getting big. He's going to be a big boy. I've got a couple more in there, a couple more roosters. One is a cream leg bar rooster that I was going to put with this flock to have a rooster with them. And the other rooster is my bonus chick. I'm pretty sure he's a rooster. He's very aggressive. I have no idea what breed he is. I guess I'll figure it out as he grows a little bit more, but we'll see what we might end up being. So that's my new flock hope you enjoyed our little inspection of them, and I'm looking forward to getting some nice colorful eggs from this group. Well, my girl that I thought was egg bound has gone ahead and laid an egg. It's a pretty good size one. I think she was just having a little trouble getting it out. She's acting much more normal now, but I'm going to keep an eye on her for the next few days. I may need to go ahead and give them a little bit of a calcium supplement. They work hard for me, and I need to take care of them, but she's doing better now. Here she is. Yeah, I'm glad.